Kotoma Suban Noirop Iduelu Esomatos Jokan Isomeroi Little Apostles Kona Katunya Ward Koibuga Soroti Joseph Epedu Echokonlo Aboikit Elosiwanuke Ngesi Abu Ekwenyar Idueka Auriak Achoikina Noi Eset Isomeroi Lu Eloseti Due Kech Ashoman Papa Kwana Eswarunotor Akironu Abongonokin Bonik ka Bonik.
Auriak, if we don't pray for our children, where those children are going, we don't know. We only send them to schools. Those who perform very well, they always go to those powerful schools, good if you are able. But what's happening there is my fear. You need to go to your knees for the protection of your child.
Pejonon la ngosi bibi Francis Malingata ngesabu attack eporoto ebe ekoto duch Auriak ochoikina noi esekununete Isomeroi lu nara kwa na akironu abongono kin Bonik ka Bonik ngese sharu knows.
For life. The children are going to S1 now. If you have somewhere, plant a tree. By the time that child reaches S6 or university, you will harvest that tree and will help you.
Manimana ni Isomeroi Luko Soroti District Simon Anango Emorungesi Abu Isinyikoik Auriak Ayangari Kokupese Isomeroi Narai Ejai Aswam Nai Dariti Kesi Nai Langiriko Ingaren.
In Makerere there is a hall there called Mary Stuart. Its motto is educate a woman, a nation trained. Are we together? Yes. So there is a lot of value attached to the what? To the girl child.
Kanuka TV is Solomon Eramu Koibuga Soroti.